First, go to the WordPress dashboard. Then, click on User E from the dashboard. After that, click on Add User. Then here you will give the user's username with which you will log in. Then you have to give the email. It must be followed by the first name and then the last name. And then you have to give the password with which you will log in. Then give the role in the main subject as I gave it. Click on the Save Now button with the editor. Now the editor has been successfully added to your website. How to log in? Take an incognito tab and enter the domain WPADMIN. And finish. You have successfully logged in as an auditor. We provide solutions to any website-based problem from website creation. Contact is given in the description.